The AllTradey price chart provides you with real-time data on the price movements on the open market. It's powered by TradingView and supports most of the TradingView features. By default, each candle on the chart is set to 1 hour. You can change the resolution by clicking 1 hour and selecting the one you need. Your new resolution will also be shown on the Market tab. To draw on the chart, you can pick any of the drawing tools from the chart's left menu and start drawing. If you want to share your chart, you need to click the camera icon at the top right corner and it will create a link to your screenshot. Every screenshot contains a referral link and you can get some extra bucks if someone registers after using your screenshot link and then subscribing. On the chart, you can find a lot of information, such as your buy and sell orders shown with green and red arrows, your open buy and sell orders, ask and bid price lines, your break-even point based on the break-even calculator, alerts, and basis from Crypto Base Scanner. The price chart allows you to quickly perform some actions such as create an alert or create buy or sell orders. You can change what information to show on the chart and also change the colors of the items on the chart settings. On top of the window, you can see a preview of how the chart will look when you change settings here. Open orders. Select this if you want to show your open orders on the chart, show labels on open orders, show buy or sell side text, enable editing orders from the chart. You can do it by clicking on the open order, change its price, and click again. Enable canceling orders from the chart. You can do it by clicking the X icon. Show order lines across the chart. For closed orders, check if you want to display your closed orders on the chart. Please note the trading history is limited to last 14 days during trial, but it's unlimited when you subscribe. Show all orders or just a few of your last orders. Show prices on closed orders. Show amounts of bought or sold coins. And draw closed order arrows on top of the chart. For alerts, show active alerts. Show alert note text. Enable editing alert from the chart. Just like the open orders, you can click on the alert, adjust the price level or note, and save it. Enable canceling alerts from the chart by clicking the X icon. Show the alert line across the chart. The basis section is related to Crypto Base Scanner. Here you can select if you want to show bases on the chart, show selected base background. It helps to identify the selected base when you navigate through them on the base info widget. Show respected bases. The red lines on the chart indicate that the price dropped below the base and then has risen above it. Show not respected bases. The green lines indicate that the price dropped below the base but didn't rise above it yet. Show not cracked bases. The gray lines show that the price never dropped more than 3% below the base. Miscellaneous. Show break-even point. The orange line on that chart is based on the break-even calculator widget. Show order book ask and bid prices. You can change the colors of any chart items from the Colors tab, and if you've gone too far with the settings, you can always reset to default with this button.